Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, primary schools are schools that teach basic education to children aged 6 to 10 years. Primary school is a continuation of preschool and is continued by middle school. Primary, primary school is a stage which is an important foundation before children continue to middle school or junior high school. In primary school, students can learn subjects like basic math, science, citizenship education, biology, and others. The aim or the purpose of basic education in general is to lay the foundation of intelligence, collaboration, knowledge, personality, noble character, and skills for living independently and pursuing further education. Now, the middle school is a level of basic education in Indonesia, which is taken after graduating from primary school. Middle school is taken within 3 years, starting from grade 7 to grade 9. Students learn the same subjects as I mentioned earlier from primary school, but at different level, and it's more complicated. Now, I will talk in Indonesia scope. As from the government team, I agree with this motion that this house would abolish primary and middle school years that group children based on age, and instead group them by competency and intelligence. Now, I would like to present my two arguments. The first one is we do not facilitate the intelligent children who should be able to complete their education quickly. If we use this method or this regulation, we can produce professor at the age of 15 or maybe 16 years. Ladies and gentlemen, students can be faster to complete their education if we allow them to complete their education not based on their age but their skills, their intelligence quality. For example, if we samaratakan students' age in class. For example, there's some of smart students and there's some of rather stupid students. The smart students cannot their process will be terhambat because some of the stupid students will like in class they learn the same lesson that these smart students can mengerjakan more easily than them, and with this system, the smart students their process will be terhambat because of that, and then that's why we rather the smart students be or maybe we can separate the class between the smart ones and the less smart separately. And then if we use that, we can increase or boost their process, the smart students process. And then we, just like I said earlier, we can produce professor at the age of 15, 16 years. Maybe we usually know this process, maybe we used to call them accelerasi, and we can use that for these smart students. And then my second argument is to mewujudkan Indonesia Emas 2045. As the President of Indonesia, Insinyur Joko Widodo said that Indonesia will be more maju in 2045. To achieve Indonesia's golden generation, efforts are also needed to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. And then, for me, the solution of this argument is to make the classes that students can choose based on their minat dan bakat. With that, we can improve their personal skills. For example, like me, like math, and then I will choose the math class. Just like in college education system, but with in my opinion, we cannot what is it called? We cannot laksanakan in college only. We should use that system in primary, middle, and even high school. Yes, and even in high school. And with that, we can mewujudkan this Indonesia Emas 2045. And then, with this motion that this House would abolish primary and middle school years that group children based on age, that is contradictive between the purpose of national education system. And then that's all from me. Thank you.